1956 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Of course, a Harley Earl designed vehicle. 365 6-liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the bright work up front. Chrome. The grille. Of course, hood ornament. Goddess yellow paint code number 42. Alpine white paint code 90, two-tone combination. Take your time looking at the still pictures of this car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Cadillac wheel covers, wide white walls. Take a look down this passenger side. You can see how nice and straight this car looks. Paint shows its age in a few spots, just kind of where it's a little thin, I guess more than anything. You can kind of see it like right here. It does not look bad, don't get me wrong. Kind of almost adds more to the character of the car than anything. Interior trim is 36, so light green cloth. So this car is still looking very much the same way it would have looked back in 1956 when it rolled off the showroom floor. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. This vehicle will come with a few miscellaneous things: car cover, make a repair manual. I believe there's a generator belt, a few things that'll go in the trunk and go along to the next owner with the vehicle. Kind of a little spot like I was talking about here. They don't stand out a whole lot, but like I said, you get right up on top of them, you can kind of notice them. It kind of has the character of the car, like I said earlier. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Pop the hood, check out that engine bay here. And also remember, stick around till the end of this video. We're going to take this car down the road, put a camera in it, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Show you how it goes down the road. First, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels look to be original. I wouldn't be surprised if this interior is. Great looking dash. A lot of chrome and bright work on the interior of this car also. Headliner looks good. Odometer reads 54,016, believed to be original. I can't confirm or deny that, just due to the fact that once a vehicle is a certain age, it is marked exempt in the title. Electric fuel pump. Anytime I've started this car and ran it, it runs smooth. That's all it takes to start it. Top of the dash looks good. Was a little bit of delamination over here in the windshield. Nothing that's going to affect looking out the windshield or driving it. Listen how that door closes. It is barely pushing it shut. It just latches like they did back in 1956. There's an idea how it runs. Sounds as you'd expect. Let's slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, show you the engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the end of this video. We'll drive this car down the road so you can get an idea what it drives out like. Underside of the hood and the engine bay. 365 cubic inches, 6 liters, power steering, power brakes. Factory accessories, this would have came with the Easy Ray glass and a heater. Like I said, smooth runner, no doubt about that. Every time I started this car, runs smooth. 1956 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1956 Cadillac that really is a time capsule. The styling is so period specific. From the green interior to all the decorative dash features. They spell out the word 1956 over in the corner of the dash. Very cool. This is a strong running Cadillac. Lots of power for its day. It is an automatic on the column. Our speedometer is working. The coolant temperature is showing a quarter of the gauge, as is the fuel. Very, very nice condition. Door panels, dash, bench seat. Headliner looks good. This car stays nice and straight if you let go of the wheel. The factory horn is working. You can feel that power steering. Brakes are working well. The blower motor also works on this car, which is activated by a lever over here on the left side of the dash. Very cool. This is an automatic on the column, as I was stating, so it is easy to drive. Either well restored or a survivor. This is a really nice looking Cadillac, and it drives just as nice. See more of this Cadillac in pictures and video at uniqueclassiccars.com.